Hello, my dear subscribers. Actually, it's my new channel, and today I'm doing Borsh. I will try to do step by step in my short video. And if you admire Ukrainian Borsh and would like to know how to do this, you can watch this video and try yourself homemade Borsh. I think it's most delicious Borsh and food and dish to do. So what you will need, first of all, it's best is to have boneless piece of beef. You clean meat, put for boiling, and it will start boiling, and during 1 hour you will have time to prepare other vegetables, and after they are ready you will put one by one in boiling meat, and the total time for cooking it's around 1.5 hours. So you have to now cut onions and put in tin pan with butter, and as soon as it like a little bit golden, you add the cutted beets as you see on my video. After several times, when it's almost steamed, almost fully steamed, you add then carrots and give several minutes also this total mess to be almost steamed. So it would be good if you add the bay leaf to the mixture at the end. It will give amazing taste. I also prepared potato before that, and also cabbage. It's cut it with a little slices. Our meat is boiling, as you see. It smells amazing. So now what we do is we steam vegetables. Now it's time to add um, potatoes and cabbage in the boiling beef water. I took several pieces of meat and checked if there is some kind of bone. I took it from a dish because it will be more comfortable for serving and eating. Now we put cabbage in boiling water and wait approximately 5 minutes. I'm recording with my one hand and it's not very comfortable, so herbs and best herbs for borscht is coriander and parsley. So I add vegetable. Don't forget to add also onions. And actually our borscht is ready. It's so good color. And in winter I love to cooking borscht and eating with sour cream. So bon appetit. And I'm planning to pickle the cabbage. I love them. It's probiotic. It's very good for health. I will record the video how I do at home. So keep watching my channel. Please subscribe, give me support. It's a very new channel and I'll try to give you good recipes and tasty and healthy food for future. So subscribe and like and comment if you will do my recipe and borscht and how you enjoy. Bye!